आज म तपाईहरुलाई यो बीएड सेकेन्ड इयरको रिडिङ्स फर द न्यू होराइजन्स भन्ने सब्जेक्टको चाहिँ म तपाईहरुलाई आज लेसन 6 को इन्टिमेट एलिनेसन इमिग्रेन्ट्स फिक्सन एन्ड ट्रान्सलेसन भन्ने म यो लेसनको चाहिँ आज म तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ केही सल्भ गरेको क्वेशनहरु चाहिँ म तपाईहरुलाई आज शेयर गर्नेछु। मैले तपाईहरुलाई अघिल्लो भिडियोमा लेसन 5 सम्म चाहिँ मैले तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ सल्भ गरेको क्वेशन एन्सरहरु म तपाईहरुलाई शेयर गरिसकेको छु। आज म तपाईहरुलाई यो लेसन 6 को चाहिँ केही सल्भ गरेका क्वेशनहरु इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेशनहरु एक्जाममा सोधेका क्वेशनहरु चाहिँ म तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ यहाँ शेयर गर्नेछु। एक्जाममा सोधेका भन्दा पनि यो चाहिँ मेन क्वेशनहरु अथवा अलि सोध्न सकिने क्वेशनहरु चाहिँ म तपाईहरुलाई यहाँ एन्सर म शेयर गर्नेछु। ए नम्बरमा रहेको छ राइट अ सर्ट नोट अन पुलिट्जर प्राइज। Pulitzer Prize. In the later years of the 19th century, Joseph Pulitzer stood out as the very embodiment of American journalism. Hungarian born an intense, indomitable figure, Pulitzer was the most skillful of newspaper publishers, a passionate crusader against dishonest government of fierce hawk-like competitor who did not shrink from sensationalism in circulation struggles, and a visionary who richly endowed his profession. His innovative New York World and St. Louis Post and Dispatch reshaped newspaper journalism. Pulitzer was the first to call for the training of journalists at the university level in the School of Journalism, and certainly the lasting influence of the Pulitzer Prizes on journalism, literature, music, and drama is to be attributed to his visionary acumen. यो रहेको थियो ए नम्बरको क्वेशन एन्सर। अलि तपाईहरुलाई बुझ्न गाह्रो भयो होला सायद यसमा चाहिँ किनकि यो वर्डहरु चाहिँ यो अलि वर्डहरु चाहिँ बुझ्न नसकिने वर्ड सजिलै बुझ्न नसकिने वर्डहरु रहेका छन्। यो वर्डहरुलाई चाहिँ तपाईले चाहिँ खोजेर चाहिँ तपाईले चाहिँ यसलाई चाहिँ यसको मिनिङ अफ वर्डहरु मिनिङ चाहिँ तपाईले पत्ता लगाउन सक्नुहुन्छ। अनि त्यसपछि तपाईलाई सजिलो चाहिँ हुन्छ। पुलिट्जर प्राइज यो लेसन चाहिँ तपाईले चाहिँ एकचोटी पढ्नु भयो भने यतिकै सरर पनि बुझ्न सक्नुहुन्छ। तर त्यसको निम्ति तपाईले चाहिँ यो मिनिङ वर्डहरु चाहिँ तपाईले चाहिँ याद गर्नै पर्ने हुन्छ। मिनिङ वर्डहरु चाहिँ तपाईले चाहिँ त्यसलाई चाहिँ तपाईले लेख्नै पर्ने हुन्छ। हुन्छ ठिकै छ। यो अलिकति हल्का बुझ्नलाई गाह्रो छ तर पनि यो सजिलै छ। तपाईले दुई तीन चोटी तपाईले रिभाइज गर्नुभयो भने तपाईले चाहिँ सजिलै बुझ्नुहुनेछ। अब अर्को म तपाईलाई बी नम्बरमा लानेछु। राइट अ सर्ट नोट अन अ झुम्पा लहिरी। Jhumpa Lahiri 1967 is an Indian American writer. She was born in London, the daughter of Indian immigrants from the state of West Bengal. Her family moved to the United States when she was 3 years old. Lahiri considers herself an American, stating, I wasn't born here, but I might as well as have been. Lahiri grew up where her father Amar Lahiri works as a librarian at the University of Rhode Island. Her mother wanted her children to grow up knowing their Bengali heritage. Lahiri graduated from South Kingstown High School and received her BA in English Literature from the Barnard College in 1989. She then received multiple degrees from the Boston University and MA in English, MFA in Creative Writing, MA in Comparative Literature, and a PhD in Renaissance Studies. She has taught creative writing at the Boston University. Lahiri's first appearance short story collection, Interpreter of Melodies, 1999, won the 2000 Pulitzer for fiction. Likewise, her first novel, The Namesake, 2003, was adapted into the popular film of the same name. The stories address the sensitive dilemmas in the lives of Indians or Indian immigrants, with themes such as marital difficulties, miscarriages, and the disconnections between first and second generation United States immigrants. The American critics praised her collection. Lahiri has also had a distinguished relationship with the New York Magazine, in which she has published a number of her short stories, mostly fiction, and a few non-fiction, including The Long Way Home, Cooking Lessons, a story about the importance of food in Lahiri's relationship with her mother. The plain language characterizes the Lahiri's writing. In addition, her characters, often Indian immigrants to America who must find the way between the cultural values of their adopted home in America. Lahiri examines her characters' struggles, anxieties, and biases to account the gradation and details of immigrants' psychology and behavior. यो चाहिँ रहेको थियो क्वेशन बी को चाहिँ एन्सर. त्यसैगरी अर्को रहेको छ क्वेशन नम्बर सी. Why did Indian people disrespect and blame her, and discuss what does she think about them? Why did Indian people disrespect and blame her, and discuss what does she think about them? Even after getting Pulitzer Prize, Indian, Bengali people and press came to disrespect her, claiming that she is a foreign lady and writer, not completely Indian one. Thus, writing about Indian Bengali culture is not effective as it is to be. This notion often makes Lahiri think serious, and once she also decided not to write about Indian culture and people too. After winning the Pulitzer Prize, national news magazine India Today blames that her setting of the story of Calcutta is the decision. When she is accused of writing about India and Indian culture and people in wrong way, the author notes that her ideas about India have been arrested in time. She even claims that her present parents have not understood India today because India and Indian people are rapidly changing their way of thinking, working, and living. त्यसैगरी क्वेशन नम्बर डी रहेको छ. Discuss the role of literary translation. Literary translation plays the significant role in cross-cultural communication. It is because translating literary works from one language to another can provide an opportunity for readers to experience another culture. It also provides a window into the thoughts of people living in another part of the world. Therefore, literary translation is taken as an agent of cross-cultural communication. Question number E. What has helped Lahiri in literary works? It's her way of translating the Bengali characters into American text. Translation intact with linguistic reproduction and bicultural knowledge has helped her win the literary status today. Question number F. What's in the interpreter of melodies? What's in the interpreter of melodies? It's a work of fiction by diaspora hand. In this book, depicted is the Jane of typical Bengali life and stereotypical Indian society. This book carries a hammering work of literary translation and a sample of cross-cultural communication references. यो रहेको थियो एफ नम्बरसम्म क्वेसनहरू र त्यसको एन्सरहरू यो लेसन 6 को इन्टिमेट एलिनेसन इमिग्रेन्ट्स फिक्सन एन्ड ट्रान्सलेसन यो चाहिँ लेसन 6 को चाहिँ क्वेसन एन्सरहरू रहेको थियो केही इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेसन एन्सरहरू रहेको थियो तपाईहरुले चाहिँ यो जसलाई चाहिँ अब यो मैले भनिहालेँ नि यो इन्टिमेट एलिनेसन इमिग्रेन्ट जस्ता यस्तो वर्डहरु चाहिँ तपाईले चाहिँ अगाडि नै यसको मिनिङ वर्डहरु खोजेर चाहिँ तपाईले चाहिँ नोट मतलब त्यहाँ तपाईले याद गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ ताकि तपाईलाई चाहिँ यो लेसन बुझ्नको निम्ति टेक्स्ट बुझ्नको निम्ति क्वेशन एन्सर बुझ्नको निम्ति तपाईलाई चाहिँ सजिलो हुन्छ र पछि तपाईलाई त्यसको एन्सर पनि लेख्न चाहिँ सजिलो हुन्छ जसलाई सजिलो छ उनीहरुले चाहिँ गरिहाल्छन् सम्झिहाल्छन् अब अलिकति गाह्रो इंग्लिश बुझ्न गाह्रो हुनेहरुलाई चाहिँ त्यसरी चाहिँ तपाईले चाहिँ प्र्याक्टिस गर्नु होला हुन्छ मैले तपाईहरुलाई यो लेसन 6 को चाहिँ यो केही क्वेशन एन्सरहरु मैले तपाईलाई इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेशन एन्सरहरु सल्भ क्वेशनहरु मैले तपाईलाई शेयर गरिसकेको छु हुन्छ आजलाई यति नै आउने समयहरुमा म तपाईलाई अन्य लेसनहरुको बाँकी रहेको लेसनहरुको म तपाईलाई क्वेशन एन्सरहरु म सल्भ गरेको क्वेशनहरु शेयर गर्ने छु अन्य भिडियोहरु म तपाईलाई ल्याउने नै छु तबसम्म मेरो भिडियो तपाईले लाइक गरिदिनु होला अनि मेरो यो भिडियोलाई तपाईको साथीहरुलाई पनि शेयर गरिदिनु होला अनि अहिलेसम्म तपाईहरुले मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुभएको छैन भने प्लिज तपाईले मेरो च्यानललाई पनि सब्स्क्राइब पनि गरिदिनु होला